Hold on tight, folks, because today we're throwing two behemoths into the off-road arena. Can the relatively new MGU9 truly compete with the established king, the Rivian R1S, when the pavement ends? You might be surprised by what we uncover. Let's dive in. Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a question that's been burning in the minds of off-road enthusiasts. Everywhere, can the MGU9, with its fresh design and promise of adventure, really hang with the Rivian R1S, a vehicle already lauded for its impressive capability and rugged charm? We'll be comparing them head-to-head on a range of challenging terrains. We'll be looking at everything from ground clearance and suspension articulation to their respective four-wheel drive systems and electronic aids. Honestly, the R1S has proven itself time and time again, and the MGU9 is trying to come up. It's also important to know that the U9 isn't quite in the same market position and price point as the R1S, so keep that in mind throughout. This comparison aims to be a helpful guideline to see how well they perform in several scenarios. So strap in and see what happens when we put these off-road rivals to the ultimate test. It is going to be an interesting ride. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. The Rivian R1S boasts an adjustable air suspension, allowing for impressive ground clearance and approach departure angles, which are crucial for tackling obstacles. Its quad-motor system provides incredible torque and precise control, making navigating tricky terrain a breeze. The MGU9, while perhaps not possessing the same level of advanced technology, counters with a surprisingly robust four-wheel drive system and a focus on simplicity and durability. The U9 is all about approachability and accessibility to a wide audience. So while it may not be as capable as the R1S in really challenging terrain, the U9 may be more than capable for an everyday off-roading enthusiast that does the occasional SSC's adventure on the weekend. However, the lack of air suspension is definitely something to consider when choosing an off-roader. Ultimately, the R1S and U9 are fairly comparable, but the U9 does seem to lag behind a little in terms of performance. So what's the verdict? While the Rivian R1S remains a top-tier choice for serious off-road adventures, the MGU9 proves to be a surprisingly capable contender, especially considering its price point. It may not conquer the most extreme trails with the same ease, but it offers a compelling package for those seeking a reliable and fun off-road experience. It comes down to your individual needs and budget. The R1S will win when it comes to capability, but at a cost. The U9 is the winner if you're looking for something affordable and simple to take out to the trails. Did this showdown change your mind about either vehicle? Let me know in the comments below. That's a wrap for today's video. If you enjoyed this comparison and want to see more content like this, be sure to smash that like button, leave a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe to the channel for future updates. Don't forget to share this video with your friends who are interested in off-road vehicles. Thanks for watching.